Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and we have
Allie-Cat.
And this is going to be Allie-Cat. Dollar Tree Haul.
Dollar Tree Haul.
Okay, we can start.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay.
Wow. We got a birdhouse to paint.
She's going to paint a birdhouse. Alrighty.
We got some frames.
Yeah, I needed some frames for some pictures. Yep, I needed a couple 3x5s and a 5x7. Okay.
Then we got a bunch of stickers.
What? Let's show them.
Yeah.
One by one. You want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. I found, now Sabrina showed these just yesterday. Be colorblind. So I got that one. And then this one, You Are My Sunshine. And this one with the little spaceships and planets I thought was cute. And found the coffee. Yeah. And then I got the stars. I thought that would look cute in mixed media. And I always pick up when I see something for birthdays. So I got this one. It says happy birthday. And this one has a birthday cake. And then I found the JoJo's. And I thought, I love the cute little emoji. So, and the unicorn. So I grabbed them. Riley likes JoJo, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
So them are the stickers. Alright.
Then
And we got some DIYs. We have
a crab.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure this is a lobster, but I don't know. We got an alicorn.
How do you know it's an alicorn?
Because it has a horn and wings.
Oh.
We
You
got
learn something new every day.
a butterfly.
Yeah.
And then a shark.
Yeah. Okay. Allie got spoiled. This is gonna be. We're gonna do these.
We got a gemstone thing.
Gemstone is that excavation. Dig it out.
You take the tools and then you have to try and get the gemstone thing that's inside of the cube.
I'd lose my patience. Okay. Oh, them are the surprises. Oh, no.
We got a button craft kit.
We got a button bag craft kit.
A Dare to Dream board.
Their dream board.
I don't know what this is.
I always pick up these sponges.
There's some we got pens, gel pens.
Got some gel pens. Where are the other gel pens? Yeah, and I will be testing these out. Got some these gel pens and these gel pens, and I will be doing a test video.
We got.
And these are a surprise that Allie didn't see, because I thought they were cool.
We got a DIY rainbow art.
It says DIY rainbow art kit, colorful crystal fun, My Mermaid, and it says on a flat surface, fill the mermaid tray with your own rainbow art design. Press the crystals firmly into place. Slowly fill the tray with water until all crystals are submerged. Yeah.
That's it.
So we got the mermaid as well as the unicorn. So we're actually going to do these on a video so we can see what they kind of look like. This
Wait, that has wings. That's an alicorn.
Oh, alicorn. So it says unicorn.
Yeah, it's an alicorn.
So we're gonna test these out and show everybody on a live feed. We're gonna go live or video, and we're gonna do these.
I want to do this.
You want to work on that too?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do another video on. We're gonna do these, and Allie's gonna show you how it's done. How about that?
Okay.
And these we're just gonna work on, and then
Off camera.
Off camera. Oh, Allie, go straight in by that box out there. Nana brought that for you also from Sabrina.
Thank you, Sabrina.
I bought it from Sabrina.
Oh, thank you, Nana and Sabrina.
But I thought, you might like that. So we have a lot of fun this weekend. She's spending the night with me. Maybe tomorrow night as well. Who knows? Be Allie's day. Allie's time. So she wants to go eat her cotton candy.
Yes. My cotton candy.
Or cotton candy. She also has her. What little snack bar did you buy?
Bueno.
Uh-huh.
It's a Kinder Joy thing.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like in a candy bar form.
Okay. Okay. So, you want to say it, Allie?
Mm-hmm. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
And we'll see you in the next video when we do this and this. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. As always, bye!
Bye.